right, Bob, we made it. Here it is. Let me unbuckle you. Okay. Let me put this right here on the side so you can keep watching that if you want to. There you go. All right. Okay, we brought your car. And I got a treat for myself. I brought a treat for me. I realized that I'm coming into contact with more people out here in the desert. So I brought my mask, you know. I'm maybe one of the few people that like the idea of the mask because, you know, if we both wear a mask and we come into contact with each other, we both know we're wearing a mask. So we can see each other as equals. All right, bud. Here, let me wipe your hands. All right. All right, so we have the desert. Oh, you know what? Maybe I will wear my mask, you know. I don't know. I gotta be conscious and safe. I realized that I know nothing about bows. I know maybe a little bit about guns, but I'm liking bows a lot. I'm liking bows a lot. Just because the courtesy factor, you know, why make a lot of noise? I think that's very uncivilized to make a lot of noise. All right, here we go. Here we go, Bubba. We got this bad boy. All right. Now I brought out these green arrows. These are not the best. So I've had a few inconsistent ones, or it could be me too, I don't know. Okay. There she is. This is, oh, I shouldn't touch there, right? Yes! All right. I brought your car too, bud. Because we're gonna rockin' and crawlin'. We're gonna rockin' and crawlin'. There you go, Papa. All right. So let's get set up here, bud. Let me, that's on. It's on. Go ahead. Here. Give me a second. Let me get set up. Then we got our field target. Let me grab that. Bam. Yes. So I'm gonna range out probably like 50. I don't think I've done 50 yards yet. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna stop recording now, and then I'll come back when I got everything set up. All right, we got our field target out there at 50 yards. This is the furthest I've shot. I could have done 50 at home, but I'd rather be safe, you know. Here, you want me to move you want your tablet over here? So I want you to sit next to me, bud. Slightly behind me, okay? Right here and watch your show. Here, go ahead and sit down. Right here. No. Right here. Thank you, Baba. Okay. Here we go. Turn back time. All right, bud. No. Please do not do that. Thank you. All right, Bubba. Here we go.
What?
Sonny boy, we're gonna do green. Taking the green. All right, we are good. I'm new to this. No, sit down, please. Thank you. Thank you. How's the shell, bud?
Yeah, just down.
All right, let's see what we got here, bud.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got here. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I forget if it's the top or the bottom here. Let's go with the top. I don't think I hit it, bud. You know what? I should try. I'm so lazy. Let me see if this works.
You want to do anything?
I don't want to stand up because I'm lazy.
Go.
Let's see if I can do it seated. I'm excited for when there's bows that are, when there's a bow that's really small and compact.
Daddy!
You know what I mean? You know what I mean, bud. Okay, here we go.
Daddy!
Yes.
Go!
Go! Go!
Go!
Go! All right, I think I was a little off.
Good.
Let's see here. Let's see. Thank you. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right. Here we go, Baba. Very soon you'll be doing this. I think I was slight right on that.
Go! Go here.
That's why I practice. This is further out than I've gone, though. I like making excuses. It makes me feel better when I make excuses. All right, here we go. Bam. All right. Let's send them. I've had a few of these be inconsistent. These green ones. Bubba, don't break your car. We just got, that's like we got it yesterday.
Oh.
You gotta be careful with it, bud. You're really close to me right here, okay?
Go.
Thank you.
Oh, there.
All right, here we go. I feel like third time is the charm. Third time is the charm. Yes! I think I was right about that. Let's go check it out. Should we take them with us?
Yeah.
Okay, Bubba, careful with your car, okay? I don't like it that you break everything you have within the first couple days. I don't like that. All right.
Okay.
Here we go, bud.
Okay.
Let's bring the camera with us. You know, I like to just a little bit, you know? You don't have to get too crazy with it. And I like ending on a positive. Let's see. Oh, I think we got it. I think we got it, Dub. We did it, bud. We did it. Thank you. All right, we're gonna put this away. We're gonna crawl. We're gonna rock crawl. Peace. See you in a minute. All right, Bubba. Let me just go. Let me try here. Let me try.
Oh. Oh, wow. That's good. Go and back. Oh, okay. Not doing it.
Ah, yeah. Okay, here we go, bud.
No.
I just gotta figure it out.
Wow.
You know, I'm slow, but eventually I make it. Eventually. Just takes a couple decades, bud. Yes! Yes! We're gonna come out here on the other side. Oh, no! Oh, this is epic. Let me show everybody. Look at this. I'm gonna try to do this. Okay, I gotta show you guys here. All right, Bubba, look. Okay, so you come in like that, and then you can go around, and then there's a way out right over there. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Let me just try it. Let me try it. Give me 2 more tries, bud. Just 2. I'm feeling lucky with 3s today. I'm feeling lucky with 3s. Here we go, Bubba. And you'll know because I'll come back on the other side. That's what happens, you know, when you go around the world. when you go around the world. People don't realize you come up behind them. All right, here we go. Oh no! Oh, whoa, whoa, I'm going real wide here. I'm getting all crazy. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I do in the mornings. How did I? Sorry, I think it's funny, okay? That's why I tell people. I say, if I think it's funny, I'm gonna laugh. You know, because I like to laugh at things that I think are funny. I'm gonna go around this way actually, because it's my last try. You only gave me 3. All right, here we go. I mean, I gave myself 3. Oh, okay, here we go. Here we go, Bubba. I'm gonna try this. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, it didn't work. I don't like to end on a failure. Let me try it coming this way, bud. You know, we gotta leave with a little positivity. And positivity is failure. That's what I say. It's never supposed to make any sense. That's why they call it life. All right, here we go. Here we go, baby. Oh, come on. Oh, yes. Yes. I'm gonna have to give you this shot over here. Oh, okay, I failed. I failed. I failed. I failed. Let's see if we can get it here. All right, Bubba, let me try this. Let me try coming around here, bud. Let me try it. One last try. I know I already said I lied. I lied. No! Okay, here, bud. Yo, be careful. I don't like it when you do that. I already told you I don't like that when you do that, bud. I really don't appreciate that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here we go. Yes, here we go, bud. We're going through. Oh, on the easy level. No, we still didn't make it. Okay, thank you. That was fun. You know, I like doing a little bit of everything. You go ahead. Drive him over there. Keep going, bub. There you go. All right, let's get going here. Yeah, I know. There's this fly that's like, he declared war on us, bud. He declared war on us. He's flying around. He's like determined. I don't know who's gonna win though. We'll have to figure it out. We didn't start it, but we're gonna finish it. Come here, Bubba. Come here. I'll give you your tablet. And then we're gonna get going. I know, there's always later, bud. Okay, here you go. Okay. I think we're good to go. Okay. That's good. That's good. There you go, bub. I think this is going to be a future airfield. I'm not sure though.